We finally made it to the top. Was it worth it?
Oh, yeah.
We just made it to the parking lot and I'll show you guys where we're heading to. We are right here and the very top is right here and we're gonna try to go all the way around so we're not going the same spot back to the campsite, and it's supposed to take 6 to 8 hours. Honestly, we never look like we're gonna hike. Everyone has their gear and large ass backpack and we got a jug of water and a bag full of food. We're walking in sandals and a dress. All right, 6 to 8 hours to go. You ready? Let's keep reminding you. Check the time. Oh, what's the time today right now? So 11:15 is the time. How about our strategy? What's the strategy? We'll take a break every hour, or like what? Like every 2 hours we'll take a break? Okay. For about an hour now, and I've decided to finally pull out some EDM music to keep me going. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's just picking mushrooms and eating it. We are almost there. We're what's the time?
11 o'clock.
So almost 2 hours in 15 minutes, and here are all the bikes that biked here that were smart, but now it's all uphill. Viewpoints of the same area, and this guy keeps asking if it's the viewpoint. No, it's not. We finally made it to the top. Was it worth it?
Oh, yeah. That is.
You staying at the campground? No, I'm not. I'm staying in town tonight. So enjoy the rest of your trip.
For sure. We'll check your blog for more ideas.
Yeah,
Cool.
for
Awesome.
sure.
Ugh. Ugh. I keep walking to branches.
Follow me.
Ugh. And this is where we are having our lunch. Look at that view. I was like moving this bag everywhere because it was heavy and now it like spilled. Oh gosh. So the beets went everywhere.
Oh, it's the beads.
Yeah. Okay, good thing we double bagged it. It's so funny, we sat near the edge to see the view, but we're like, our back is facing it because the wind is coming from that way. We're cold. We're just eating cherries now. Please enter your password. And then a 3-hour hike back, 3 or 4 hours. There's like a big piece of land and there's no signs to tell us which way is going back. They're just trying to figure out where the path is, but this looks like a path. Hopefully we are going the right way.
Yeah, the lid?
We just walked to a dead end. So now we're just going back to the... Oh gosh. Do you really have a sign? Maybe they do, we're just blind. Why didn't we think that was the exit? Good thing we're not the only ones up here. No, that's back to where we took the photo. So we figured out the way. And the only way we figured it out was because we heard people coming up. We would have been there another 10 minutes trying to figure out where the heck to get out. And now we're on a 3-hour hike back down. And our day is done now. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good night and a good life. Peace! We are finally back at the entrance. It is currently 7:20, so with lunch and hiking, that was 8 hours. They weren't kidding. Oh. I just want to have dinner and lie down. You should see all the things that he collected.
Lobster. I forgot the name of these, but they have like a neck sponge type. See? And chanterelles.
My legs are so dead. Oh yeah. So we celebrated our freaking 35-kilometer walk by getting McDonald's. And then he ended up cooking his mushrooms.
No butter, thyme, salt, pepper, garlic.
This was found outside on the floor.
No. In the forest.
In the forest on the floor. It's delicious though.